All right, this is a simple and fast review of the WENNEBIRD floor mats. They're all-weather floor mats for your vehicle. This is going to be for a Model Y 5-seater. Really specifically, they are carpet floor mats, which is a little different. If you've ever been working with any kind of all-terrain floor mats, and I have, I've gotten gone through a ton of them. Some wear down, some are just really too flimsy, too hard. But most importantly, all the all-weather floor mats are like rubber or plastic, and so they don't really make it comfortable. They don't look great. They look decent. They are serviceable. But the reason I got this is because I'm looking for something like carpet, something nice, something flush, something that's going to do the job of keeping the car clean and not, destroying floor mats, but most importantly, looking great while at it. Tesla's not a cheap car. It's not an economy class car, so I don't want to have a economy class floor mat. So the beauty of this, very specifically, is that you are able to vacuum them, obviously. But more specifically, you can actually take a hose or a pressure washer and clean them, and all you got to do is then hang them essentially to dry the top layer, that carpet. It'll drip dry, and then you can throw them right back in. So let's dig in, let's show you what they look like, then let's show you how they go in, and we'll take it from there. All right, so we're going to just get them unboxed real quick. Should be a relatively easy process here. Not a lot of difficulty opening the box, which is always a nice feature. And a nice gigantic, if you're looking for, I actually love these types of bags, just a Ziploc bag, pretty huge Ziploc bag, but again, we're going to just showcase, what these look like, and obviously they're going to have to break in a little bit. But you'll have your passenger side and your driver's side. And so I'm going to showcase a couple things real quick. First and foremost, I want to cover 2 points. I love the heel for the driver's side. And this is a feature that sometimes it's great, sometimes it's not. We'll have to check it out. It makes it easy so that you can stick it into the vehicle. That's obviously an important part. The challenge sometimes is when this is up like this, you'll find that some dirt still gets under. If it's mud or whatever, it can get underneath there. So that can be a challenge at times. All right, so I'm not sure if you can see it or not with the light and reflection, but it's almost like a hard Velcro, if you will. So it should dig and capture the carpet. I'm going to try and show you some angles. And hopefully you're getting any of this. If not, I apologize, but it's not like a carpet underneath. It's not soft like this is. This is really nice and soft. Again, this is black, so let's go ahead and put them in the car and see what they look like. All right, so starting with the back, first of all, I just want to point out it's a really nice fit. You can hopefully see this is a little rubber edging that you can see mostly along the edge. A real nice fit. Fits very well. Sorry for the fast camera movements, but really nice fit in the back. Again, gravity kind of needs to settle in this little fold in the middle because that's how it was done. If you're particular about having a name brand on it, there is a name brand twice, so just keep that in mind. But overall, looks pretty clean. All right, so showing the driver's side, very clean install. Again, you're going to have some spacing here, which again, it's I guess buyer's choice what you want to do with that, if you like it or not. But the color match is really solid in general. The fit, again, real clean. One of the things that I find mostly when I'm getting these is this area right here usually has like a giant gap like that, and it does a really nice job of settling in and fitting the vehicle really nicely. And again, this is great. I'm a huge fan of these because that's where I wear these things out mostly. So looking forward to utilizing that. I'm pretty excited about that. So let's show you the passenger seat. All right, so the final piece of the puzzle is the passenger seat. Again, it's just a spectacular fit. If nothing else, like, these things fit better than any other floor mat I've ever had as an aftermarket. So I'm really pleased with the way these fit in. Very pleased with the color match. Again, I've got a black one, black interior, and it's not, you know, it's just not pure black, as you can tell, but it's a nice solid gray that fits in well with the lighting, and it covers, I mean, quite frankly. So I'm excited about that. Personally, I'd love it if it said Model Y instead of their brand name, but I get it, you know, you're trying to sell your product. So and just the feel is, you know, again, very nice soft feel, and the ability to, you know, be able to just wash these and throw them back in with a power washer or a good strong hose really has me excited. So hopefully this review helps you as far as understanding what they look like in, and you know, their capabilities. And thanks for watching.